Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Code AI. This innovative feature empowers you to generate stunning designs with just a few words. Imagine typing a description and watching your vision come to life in seconds. It's designed to streamline your creative process, making design accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. We'll cover everything from initial setup to exporting your final masterpiece, ensuring you feel confident using this powerful tool. To begin, simply open Canva and start a new design or select an existing one. Look for the code AI icon, often found in the left-hand sidebar or under the Apps section. Once activated, you'll see a text box where you can enter your creative prompt. Be as specific as possible. For example, describe a minimalist logo with a blue wave and a sun. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand your vision. Crafting effective prompts is key to unlocking Code AI's full potential. Think about the core elements of your design. What colors, shapes, and overall mood do you envision? For instance, try a vibrant social media post for a coffee shop, featuring a steaming cup and warm tones. The AI will then generate several design options based on your input. Don't hesitate to iterate and refine your prompts to achieve the perfect result. Once Code AI generates your initial designs, you're not done yet. You can fully customize every aspect using Canva's intuitive editing tools. Change fonts, swap images, adjust colors, and reposition elements until it's exactly right. This allows for complete creative control over the AI-generated starting point. Finally, when your design is perfect, easily export it in your preferred format, such as a high-resolution PNG or a print-ready PDF, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.